welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Today is going to be a really quick, delicious, nutritious episode, okay? I'm going to make honey lime rainbow fruit salad. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So right now I already have my strawberries here. They're washed and ready to go. So all I want to do is just cut these up. I'm just going to slice them some, maybe about 2 or 3 times. That's all I want to do here. Let's get these sliced up. And y'all know I will talk as I go. And all ingredients will be in the description below. And I hope everybody has had a good 4th of July weekend. I know I have. I didn't do anything but relax. I just want to get these chopped up really good here. And you want to place them in your bowl. You want to make sure you have a big, nice size bowl here. And I'm using a pound of strawberries here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to get these washed up and I shall return. Cut up and I shall return. Alright, so I have my strawberries all cut up as you can see here in my nice big red bowl. So I also have a pound of pineapple here. And these are pretty big chunks, so I'm just going to cut these up just a little bit, just in half. And put those in the bowl as well, just to make sure we have enough pineapple, because I love pineapples. Just gonna throw that in there just like that. Just cut them in half, or you can leave them as big as you want to. You don't have to add pineapple either. It's all up to you. You can also add any different, types of fruit you want as well. These are fresh pineapples too. Okay, so we're just going to toss these into the bowl. And then we're going to move on to the next thing once I get my hands washed. Alright, so as you can see, it's already looking very rainbowish, very pretty. And I also have a pint of blueberries. You don't have to do anything, just toss them right on in here. That's all you do. Look how pretty that's looking. That's gonna be so good. It sure is. Okay, so I have about 4 kiwis. Only thing you want to do with these is chop your kiwi, peel them. Just gonna do it like that. Try to get all that off of there. Peel them. And I love kiwi. And I'm gonna give these a little rinse because I don't want all that pull, the little hair or whatever it is. I don't know. I don't want all that on there. But I'm just gonna give this a rinse real quick. Alright, so all you want to do is just give this a good chop just like that. Not a chop, but slice them. You want them probably about that big around. And you just want to place those in there as well. You can see those in there. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these kiwis up and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so I have the kiwis all sliced and diced. They're not diced, but they're sliced. And you just want to place those in here as well. Like I said, this is really easy. This is a really good picnic snack. You can make for lunch, breakfast, dinner, midnight snack, whatever you want to do. It's a great rainbow fruit salad. Alright, so now that we have the kiwi in here, I have some mandarins. You want about 3 of these. Just want to peel. Ooh, they smell so good. Okay, so we have the mandarins, and all you want to do with these You don't even have to chop these up or anything. See what I'm saying? Just break them apart and throw them in here. That's all you do. Okay? And these little pieces here, just take those off. You don't have to put those on there. Okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and peel these and we'll continue to peel them apart. All right, you guys. Also, you want to add some grapes. I have red grapes, and look at that. These are so pretty. It looks like I just picked it off of a tree, doesn't it? So you just want to pick some off of here. You can add as many or as little as you like, or you don't have to add any at all. But what you want to do is just slice these and just throw them in. Toss them in that bowl. That's all you do. Don't cut your finger in the process, though. You definitely don't want to do that. Just slice them in half and toss. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get these sliced. All right, so we have the grapes all sliced. Now, if you want to leave your grapes whole, by all means do so. Isn't that very pretty? Very, very pretty. Gorgeous. Okay. All right, so now this is optional. I have 2 bananas. You do not have to add bananas if you don't want to. I'm going to add some. So I only have 2. You don't have to add them if you don't want them. Some people don't want bananas in their fruit salad or anything like that. And I just want to slice these bananas up. All you want to do and toss them in the bowl. All right, this salad is done, you guys. It's almost done. Now I'm going to make my honey lime dressing. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and I shall return. All right, you guys. So now what we're gonna do is make our honey lime dressing. Just get you a, medium-sized bowl here. And you want to add 1/4 cup of honey. And you don't have to add this dressing if you don't want to, but when I tell you, this makes it so much better and good. You can always add a little bit more if you want, but my daughter, she was telling me, make sure you add a lot of honey. Just gonna toss that in there. Can you pass me a spoon real quick if you can? Or anything. Just want to make sure I scoop all this out really good. There we go. Thank you. Just scoop that out. Okay. Alrighty. Put this in. So now what you want to do, I have 2 limes, so I'm going to add a little bit of lime zest to this, okay? So make sure you don't do it too much now, just a little bit. Go on to the other side, see? Just like that. Just a little bit of zest. Don't go too far. because then it'll be bitter. Yeah, just like that. This one too. Yeah. This is it. I'm done. Okay, that's all you want to do. Get your little bit of lime zest. Okay, now what you want to do is add 1 1/2 tablespoon of lime. Okay, so I'm just gonna add that much, just like that. That's about 1 1/2. I believe it might be a little bit more. I don't know. Now you just want to mix this together. Honey is thick, so just make sure you whisk it real good. Okay. Now the last part that you want to do is just pour it over your fruit. And then you want to give it a toss. Just make sure you get in that, get it all over the fruit really good. This smells so good, you guys. I will be eating this for breakfast. I'm gonna eat this tonight as a snack. I'm sure the rest of the family is too. It's so good. I'm gonna get this into a bowl and I'll be right back. All right, so this rainbow fruit salad is ready to go. You just want to place some of that all in here. I'm about to eat this right now. So good. And I love fruit. If you guys are anything like me, you'll love fruit. Look at that, how pretty that is. And I just want to garnish it a little bit with a little bit of mint leaf. And there you have it, you guys. There it is. I want to thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, bye.